How to draw Mommy Shark. For the first step of drawing Mommy Shark, we're going to begin by making one circle that will be directly above the center of the page. Fantastic! Now we will make a total of 3 fins, one on the top, left, and right hand side. Next, we'll go in the center below the 2 fins that we just made, and we're going to begin to make the tail along with the body of Mommy Shark. Fantastic! If you would like a moment to catch up, then you can pause the video right here. Now we will add 2 lines inside of the body. This will help separate the color. Great job! Now on the inside of the head, we're going to make 1 line that will be going from left to right. Below the line, let's make the mouth along with the teeth and the lips. Now directly above the line that we previously made, we're going to begin to draw the eyes of Mommy Shark. This is how to draw a mommy shark. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you liked the video today, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to the Learn How to Draw Hub YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Let's go ahead and color our drawing together.